I have a special announcement for all my Slovenian viewers. Kanal Me Time Škatlice je uradno online in tam bodo videi samo v slovenščini, tako da hitro ga poišči. Bye! Please ignore the cat in the background. So August is over, which means that summer is technically over, but we might have some warm days in September also, so that is gonna be awesome. And let's just go right into my favorites. Okay, first of all, I love this e-coffee cup. Not just that it's made of bamboo, this is actually bamboo. It sounds like ceramics or something similar, but it's actually bamboo and food grade silicone. Not just that I can put my coffee or tea in it and that I don't use plastic cups, it's also spill proof. And my cat can't drink out of it, which is a huge plus if you know my cat, because she likes to drink out of every cup that I drink of, especially if I have milk or water or tea or pretty much anything, she will drink out of it. She just doesn't like water with ice, so my cocktails are safe. If we continue in the theme of red colored items, I have this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream Lipstick in the shade Rome, and that is actually what I'm wearing today on my lips. And this is actually my first matte lip cream, and I love it. It doesn't stay on very long. I mean, it smudges if you drink or eat, but otherwise it's amazing. It's great. The color might be a little more autumnish, not exactly the typical summer color, but I still love it and I was wearing it a lot. And I bought some other matte lipsticks after this one, and I have to say that this one is still by far my favorite. There's a kitty meowing. She's probably just bored. That's her give me attention meow. You know, I love my planner and I love to plan and I love to do everything paper related, and it's really hard to concentrate when I know that there's a cat running behind my back and there could be any minute when her claws are in my bag. So if I look scared, that's the cat. Back to the topic. You know I love my planners, you know I love to plan, to draw out my week, to plan everything very specifically, and above all, I love colors. And I always have problems because I am a person that makes a lot of mistakes, and I'm a person who has a terrible handwriting, and these two go beautifully together that my planner always looks messy. Therefore, I love things that I can erase. For example, friction pens, or as I discovered very recently, friction color pens. Yay! These are a bit wider. The tip is medium-sized as the normal friction pens, and as you can see, as the picture in the background says. You can erase them easily after you color them in. They are not really super pigmented, like black comes out a bit more grayish, but I really love it for maybe some color coding or just some doodles or decoration in my planner. I really love it because I can erase it, and that's the whole point of my planner, that I can move my appointments, I can erase things, and I can do them all over again, and I freaking love them. They were even on sale, so I loved them even more, and I just bought them immediately. But yeah. These are really, really beautiful colors, really, really erasable, and they are a great back-to-school piece or a planner must-have. My last favorite is a book by Mimi Econ. Did I mention this book about 1,000,000 times already? You've probably seen it on my Instagram, you've probably seen it on my Snapchat, you've probably just seen it everywhere. It's because I really think this book has a lot of added value. At first, it starts really slow and it reads really easily, but then when you get to the middle, the book really starts to provide value and insight and just amazing insights in human relations and how we work and how we communicate with each other and how we are connected, and it's just mind-blowing. The main point of the book is that each one of us has a feminine and a masculine side, and these two energies are usually one is stronger than the other. But like yin-yang, each one of us inside has both energies. For example, you can have a female strength male or a masculine strength female. It doesn't have to be that women are always nice and caring and gentle and so on. You also have tomboys, and you have cats. And you have hungry cats that want to jump on counters. But more on that later. And it really shows how you have this 4 profile of people that is feminine strength male, masculine strength male, feminine strength female, and masculine strength male, and how they each interact with each other and what is actually the best combination to have. And if you don't have that combination, if you're already in a relationship, how you can bring out the best of both worlds, and how it's really important that you have those 2 energies balanced, and then you truly become a bingo. It's really a lot of useful information inside this book, and I can't just sum it up in a few sentences. So if you have the access to this book, I would really recommend you to reading it, because it just gives you huge insight. And when you're walking around the world and when you see different people in different relationships, it just becomes like, a light bulb goes off. That's why their relationship doesn't really work. Or now I kind of understand why they broke up, and I kind of understand why this person can't seem to find a suitable partner, and I kind of understand why that couple works perfectly. It's really like, wow, a whole new world opened up to me, and I have so much more material to discuss with people about relationships, and I really love it. And I would highly recommend you this book, not just because it's Mimi Econ and I love her, but because she truly provides a lot of value, and it's packed in a nice, easy to read book that you can actually read over the weekend. So I love it. And it also makes a great coffee table book. I really hope you enjoyed my favorites. I would urge you to go watch my other 3 previous videos that are back to school themed, so you can really start your year in the best possible shape. And I'll see you soon. Bye!